Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily pin a conversation in the Siri app in macOS 27 Golden Gate and iOS 27. The dedicated Siri app in macOS 27 and iOS 27 makes it easier than ever to keep track of your AI conversations. Whether you have asked Siri to summarize documents, plan a trip, write emails, or answer complex questions, you can now revisit those chats anytime. Better yet, if there is a conversation you frequently return to, you can easily pin it to the top of your conversation list for instant access. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first you have to launch the Siri app on your device, and then you have to head over to the specific conversation in the question. After that, you have to right click on it or just touch and hold onto the conversation. Then you have to choose pin option in the menu, and that's about it. Now go ahead to pin multiple chats so they are easily accessible. Pinning a conversation in the Siri app is a great way to keep your most important chats within easy reach. Whether it's an ongoing project, a frequently used prompt, or a conversation you plan to revisit, the pin feature ensures it stays at the top of your conversation list, saving your time and making navigation much more convenient on both iOS and macOS devices. You can pin or unpin conversations whenever your priority changes, giving you complete control over how your chat history is organized. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.